nagkaroon ako ng idea is to why not bring someone here na special kay Manong Bel. Don't really silly kayo na. Okay, so sa tingin mo, sino yung friend na dinala ko sa'yo? Si Mang Will. Mang Will! Joke lang. I'd like to welcome, thank you rin sa pag-participate, Suzy.
Ate girl! Happy birthday! Meron pa akong pa-text. Uy, nanalo ba kayo? Finals ka ba? Uy, finals na kayo. Dahil alam ko, kasama ko nanay mo. Tinext sila. Hello everybody! My name is Suzy. I'm from Magic 89.9 and I will be your host for this evening. Thank you very much to 30. Sobrang pinano na to ng malala. As in malala. Sabi, ano, problema mo? Shock ka, ate girl. No, kasi i-DM me, sabi niya parang, yun din yung problem ko eh. Like, what gift do you give someone who already has everything or who has the capacity to buy anything? No! So yun, so super thank you to 30. 30 took care of everything. My flight and hotel, also Tita Mosey. Thank you so much for having me here. The Booney Kiefer, 18 Roses, 18 Candles, palabas na in a bit. But I think like me being here, flying all the way from Manila, and a lot of you also who flew in from all around the country is a testament to how amazing a person Kiefer Ravena is. Can I get a hell yeah? Yeah! Amen, or something. There you go. So, we are all here to celebrate 21 years of this amazing, amazing boy. Sumapalakpakan dyan. He is such an amazing friend.